Hello everyone. Now we are on our chart, our lessons, or technical lessons. So today we are going to discuss about the 20 or yung what we call intermediate confirmations or trend confirmations. So I'll be making two videos. So I'll be uploading two videos today. First of all, it's the 20 MA EMA crossed above the 50 EMA. Then the other one later on the next video is the golden cross and the death cross, which is the 50 EMA, and which involves the 50 EMA, then the 200 EMA. So here. First of all, I'm using Investagrams. No, from here, you can open EMA, yeah, indicators EMA. So I'll be clicking it twice. Then I'll just edit it. I usually do blue ones for the 20 EMA style. 20, I want it a bit thicker. All right. Then for the other one, that's 50 EMA. Then I want it red. Okay. There you go. So first of all, our first example, we have ICT. I have prepared examples here. All right. For the ICT here, first of all, you need to understand first that these are trend reversals. Okay, all right. If you are looking here at the sideways, you might be confused about where the stock will really be headed. Like for this one, it's not totally going down. For this one, it's not totally going up. All right. It's best to see that if and when a stock has came from a bullish and bearish pattern. Also, moving average are what we call lagging indicators. They are leading and lagging. For the lagging indicators, the price action or the price moves ahead first, then it's just being confirmed by the lagging indicator, which is the moving average. The other one is leading. Right. So for this one, let's backtrack this one. So you can see here the the 20 crosses below the 50 EMA. So you see what happened. It eventually went down. Sideways movement. So you can see also, please note that this is, there's no perfect indicator. So this is just a checklist. The best thing you can do is risk management. Of course, if there are some false prices or false sell signals like this, maybe you can take profit or sell a portion of it and just let the other half go on to the next levels of it. Or if it will go higher, much better. If it will go lower, you already took a profit from the half of it. Say for instance, for this one, so it doesn't came from a sideways, all right? It came from a downtrend, then it switches over here, all right? Then we are just waiting for a breakout maybe, or sorry, maybe you can also fund here or start allotting, start buying here, start accumulating here, so that when the price stock went up on the breakout at these levels, all right, the stock, or you have already accumulated price or shares, and it will still go up to that level. So up to when you hit the 50 EMA, it is suggested that you should take profit, all right? Because when you're looking at this point right here, it's hindsight. Right? So what's the tendency there? You need to sell because there's a gap down. Okay, that's negative 4%. There's a gap down, but it's only a false alarm, so it went up um, totally. Right. Next, I have here JFC. So JFC, same goes with JFC, but this one is more, farther than the ICT. The 20 EMA crosses below the 50 EMA at around April when the news about JFC acquiring international brands um, was revealed or was being reported. Then next, let's go back. Let's trace if Jollibee went on a uptrend even before. Like right here, let's see. This is quite tight right here. The moving average is not that going far away from the prices. So it went on a rally at these levels only. So as this level only. As you can see here on this part, it is really quite confusing already on which direction the price will be going. So maybe you can take profit at this area because it's already hitting the 50 day moving average. All right, let's try international companies. So we have here Apple. For the Apple, it's very noticeable. As you can see here, the 20 EMA crossed above the 50 EMA already. So what we can expect is the stock will continue to go up. Right here, this is 2019. Right, last 2019, there's a quite downfall at this point. Then it totally crossed above totally last February. All right. Here, the downtrend of this one, as I've mentioned, it must came from a trend. Okay, so this is a trend, uptrend, then a reversal right here. All right, maybe you can or how much will you lose if you do not sell at this point? Okay, let's see here. Yeah, maybe up to this levels. I don't know, maybe that's 30%, somewhere around that price. Then if you follow the EMA, maybe you bought at these levels. All right, maybe here and sell at this gap downs, you have 13%. We are just disregarding this one. Of course, maybe you can sell a portion of this one, then realistically you will just buy it again here. So you have like 10%. Lastly, I have Microsoft. So I'll be giving you 4 examples. There, same goes with Apple. Almost same trend with Apple right here. Alright, and then from the previous one, the sideways, consolidation, then the reversal, then some testing of the trend, take profit or cut loss. Of course, you don't know what will happen here. Okay, then continue to rally above. This EMA doesn't apply to all stocks. Like, let's go back to the Philippines. Like for this one, Globe. Globe has been moving sideways. Alright, so you cannot really see a pattern at this point. And so as SM. You cannot really see a pattern from this stocks. Right here, the consolidation stage, or maybe you can ride at these levels or at these points. All right, so that's it. That's the short-term indicator that we can use, short-term to intermediate term that we can use, especially today. That if we can anticipate somehow, if we can reach the anticipation of buying a stock when we see these signs and confirmed it with other indicators. So that's it, and thank you for watching.
Pwede ka na mag-isip-isip kung technical yan naman. Yes, yes. Ibig sabihin, ito yung resistance niya, yung break niya. Hindi mo to alam kung wala kang technical mga chart. Unlike dito kapag bumili.
Tapos pag bumili ka dyan, tapos pag
Dito?
nag-ano siya ng paakyat, hindi ka nang magpapakyan.
Pwede, pwede. There's a trend, di ba? May line dito eh. Again, kanina yun yung resistance, di ba? Na alam nila hanggang dito lang yung price, kaya bibenta na sila.